This is one grass of moist places and wetlands. That is, it is called Hymenachne. Some Hymenachne is there. I'll write the correct name in the title. Earlier it was panicum, it seems. And this one I'm growing in a pot that doesn't have holes. So it is you mimic that paddy field situation. Depth is this much. This mud pot. So this Hymenachne, I think it is quite tall. It grows up to 120 centimeters, it seems. That is, that culm becomes quite tall like this. And then it is a juicy, moist, succulent, sweet grass that is good for these cows and all. So I am having a plan to grow this in a bigger way to feed our cows. Then the main salient parts. This one has no hairy collar and all. This joint. Leaves are very long. Almost this much, that is some 5 to 6 inch long leaves. Long leaves, and then that gap between the leaves, that ratio between stem and leaves is quite, it is not too bad. That is one indicator of the biomass potential and all. So it does produce good amount of biomass, which is important parameter when you feed cows and all. Some quantity has to come out. Then it is hairless. The leaves and all don't show any hairs. Then apart from that, that leaf shape, that culm and flower shape is like a pyramid type, like a pagoda. Like that. Then individual flowers are pink. Like earlier it was classified as panicum, it says, this one. Before getting called Hymenachne as a new name. So small pink flowers with grain type formations. So attractive small pink flowers. So like that. Then overall shape, that main culm is coming like this, that inflorescence. Then these sideways emergent stems are there, stem or whatever it's called, this one. They're going sideways. This grass I found to be very interesting because one is shape and all is quite nice. Second, it is a perennial. So perennial grass are easier to grow because if you plant it once, it will last for many years. That is one thing. And I am planning to grow it as a kind of a bog plant only, like what I have done here in this case. Bigger one some water body can be selected, much deeper. Then this can be grown as a in a more thick and succulent way by feeding and all. Then overall grass shape coming like this. ಇದು ಕೊಂಚ ನೀರು ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡ like this. So pink flowers. So it looks like this. That name is, I'll tell the name now. So it's called Hymenachne aurita. Hymenachne aurita, correct spelling and all I'll write in the title. So this is a grass I've taken up for to grow in a bigger way. Wetland grass, and purpose is, one, apart from its beauty, a graceful look and all, also for our cows to grow in a boggy kind of a container. That is the plan. So it becomes very tall, 120 to 1 centimeters tall.